Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. Creo. We offer a wide range of training programs designed to help you master Creo, an essential software for engineers and designers. Our Creo courses, available in certificate, diploma, master diploma, and PG diploma, cover various modules, empowering you with skills required for precise design, prototyping, and product development. Here are some key highlights you'll encounter in our courses. Advanced part and surface design, parametric and direct modeling capabilities, assembly creation, kinematic analysis, simulation, and finite element analysis, technical drafting, documentation, 3D printing and prototyping, collaboration tools for product development, customization, and scripting. Enroll in the Creo course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful design and modeling software. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.